Good morning, real estate champions. Our episode for today is how to exercise due diligence in buying and selling real estate properties. I give you 6 tips for due diligence if you buy a property from individual owners. But what is due diligence? It is the care that a reasonable person takes to avoid harm to persons or their property. Number 1 tip is ensure that the certificate of title is genuine. You can check this by securing a certified true copy of the title from the Register of Deeds. Request a photocopy of the title from the seller and submit this to the Register of Deeds with your application for processing of the certified true copy. Number 2, inspect the title if it is clean. A clean title is free from any encumbrances, such as mortgage from a bank or lending companies. Whatever transactions or legal matters that transpire on the land, as a rule, this should be annotated in the title. Check for these annotations. If the page is empty, then it is clean. Number 3, ensure that the land you are buying is what is truly described in the title. This can be validated at the Register of Deeds. It is advisable to hire a professional surveyor to ensure that the actual property you are buying will match the technical description in the title. Generally, this will not cost much. And as the saying goes, an ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure. Number 4, make sure that yearly real estate taxes are paid and updated. The government imposes at least quarterly payment of taxes. And when a property is sold, the government requires payment of the entire year. So, negotiation as to what period buyers pay and what periods sellers pay their tax dues should come into play in the sales transaction. It is very important that real estate taxes are paid because of steep penalties imposed by government on delayed payments. And eventually, the government can impose what we call in legal parlance as lien on the property, which can extinguish the owner's right of the property until taxes are paid, including penalties. Number 5, make sure that the sellers are true owners of the property. Valid IDs should match the name in the title. Always inspect the original title, not a photocopy. Check with some authority figures within the locality like the barangay captain, as they also have valuable information about the property and can attest their true owners. Number 6, if the property you are buying is not a residential subdivision such as row land or beach lot, check with the DENR with regards to the regulated use of the land. Lands have classifications such as farmland, industrial, commercial, and residential, and therefore should be used according to their classification. Though diversion may be applied, but requires government approval and usually undergoes a very tedious process. There you have it. I have shared with you the 6 important tips to ensure due diligence in buying or selling real estate properties. This will ensure you will avoid costly lawsuits and other legal consequences if due diligence is ignored. Thank you very much for watching, and God bless everyone.